Making the perfect omelette is an art, and it's great that you're seeking guidance from the food district of downtown NYC. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create a delicious omelette. Ingredients: 2 to 3 large eggs, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon butter or olive oil. Fillings of your choice, e.g., diced vegetables, cheese, herbs, cooked meats. Instructions: prep your ingredients. Dice your chosen vegetables, cheese, and any other fillings you want in your omelette. Crack the eggs into a bowl and beat them with a fork or whisk. Season with salt and pepper. Heat the pan. Place a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Add butter or olive oil and let it melt and coat the pan evenly. Pour and swirl. Once the fat is hot, pour the beaten eggs into the skillet. Swirl the pan to ensure the eggs cover the bottom evenly. Cooking the base. Allow the eggs to cook undisturbed for a few seconds until they start to set at the edges. Lift and tilt. Using a spatula, gently lift the set edges and tilt the pan, allowing the uncooked eggs to flow to the edges. Repeat this process until the omelette is mostly set but still slightly runny on top. Add fillings. Sprinkle your chosen fillings evenly over one half of the omelette. Fold. Carefully fold the other half of the omelette over the fillings, creating a half-moon shape. Cook through. Cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes to ensure the fillings are heated through and the eggs are fully cooked. Slide and serve. Slide the omelette onto a plate. If you'd like, garnish with fresh herbs or a sprinkle of cheese. Enjoy. Serve your perfect omelette immediately while it's hot and enjoy the deliciousness. Tips: use fresh, high-quality eggs for the best flavor. Experiment with different fillings to create your favorite combinations. Don't overcook the eggs, a slightly runny interior can be more enjoyable. Keep the heat at medium to prevent the eggs from browning too quickly. Feel free to customize this basic omelette recipe based on your preferences and the fresh ingredients available in downtown NYC. Enjoy your culinary adventure!
Hey, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Ms.Coffee's Brewed Content channel today.